Krish bought a microwave oven on sale at a 15% discount from its regular price of $180. If there is a 5% sales tax that is calculated on the sale price, how much did Krish pay for the oven? Let's start by finding the sale price. So to find the sale price, we need to figure out what is 15% of 180. And then because the sale price is amount of money we're taking off of the original price, we need to then subtract that number from 180, our original price. There's two different ways you can do this math. One, you could represent the percent as a decimal and multiply that way, or you could represent it as a fraction and multiply that way, whichever you're comfortable with. For this first step of the math, I will show you both ways, but then for the rest of the problem, I will continue with the decimal form. So here we need to set up 180 times 0.15. 5 times 0 is 0, 5 times 8 is 40, 5 times 1 is 5, plus 4 is 9. Placeholder, 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times anything is just itself, so we will have 180. Then we need to add these two together. 0, 0, 17, carry the 1, 2. And now we count how many places are in our multiples, 1, 2, and apply that to our answer, 1, 2. So that gave us 27. If we were to do this the fraction way, we would have 180 times 15 out of 100. When we multiply that through, we would have 180 and 15 on top, and then 100 on the bottom. We could do a common factor. We can factor out some common factors. So we could get rid of a 0. Then we would do 18 times 15. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 4 is 9, placeholder. And then we would have 18. We would get 270. And then that would be 270 over 10, where the zeros would cancel. And we would be left again with 27. So either way, whether you're more comfortable with decimals or fractions, those are the two ways to do the math for this problem. So now we know that the amount of money that was subtracted from the original price in the discount is 27. So we need to take our original price, subtract $27 from it. We'll borrow. 10 minus 7 is 3. 7 minus 2 is 5. Bring down the 1. 153 is the sale price. Now we need to calculate the sales tax that is applied to the sale price. Sales tax is something that we have to pay, so that amount is going to be added onto this cost. Same as before, you can either do this by changing 5% into a decimal, 0.05, or you could do 5 out of 100 and do it in the fraction form. I'm going to use the decimal form, but you can do it either way. Take 153 times 0.05. 5 times 3 is 15, carry the 1. 5 times 5 is 25, plus 1 is 26. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 2 is 7. Count your places, apply them to your answer. $7.65 is our sales tax, so we need to add that on to 153, and be careful here. Remember, we're dealing with money, so set it up, $153.00, so that you can line up your decimal when you add. That is very, very important. 0 plus 5 is 5, 6, bring down your decimal, 3 plus 7 is 10, 1 plus 5 is 6, bring down the 1. $160.65 is our answer, making B the correct choice.